Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 31, we will study how to join the workloads. So in the last lessons, we have installed the controller plane loads, the master loads with the kubeadm. So we can here use the kubectl get loads to check what the load status. So we can see here, now we have installed the Kubernetes master loads and its status is ready. Now we can use this command kubeadm-join to join any numbers of workloads by running the following commands on each as root. So here now we can use this command to use this command, the kubeadm-join to here. We just copy this command. Yes, we open terminal and we need to run this command in the workloads with the sudo. So now, we need, because they are typeset, so we use to needed to use the sublime to here. Okay. Yes, now we copy this kubeadm-join in the workloads. So here. Now, yes, now, and enter. Yes, now we can, we must use sudo. Yes, now we can see here, now for the Kubernetes to perform the write. Now we can see here, now we can use the kube get loads to see the current status. We here just use copy, and we needed to use the kubectl in the master loads. So here, now we can, now the Kubernetes work1 has joined this cluster, so we can use the kubectl get pods to show what they installed. Okay, now we can here in the workload in the cluster work2. So we can issue here, copy this kubeadm-join. So, sorry, we need to use the sudo to give the right permission. Yes, now we are joining the work2 into the cluster load. So now we use the here in the master load to check what the loads. Yes, now its status is not ready because we can here because the nodes is installing the Calico and the port network add-ons. So its status is running. So now here is now running. We can get one loads. Yes, now the K8s have work2 loads. Those two now is ready, is also ready. So now we in this Kubernetes cluster there are 3 loads. One is as the master load and the other 2 are as the workloads. So we can see here the token, because we use the token here. This is the this string is token. The token will expire in 24 hours. So if the if the token is expired, so we need to new token. We can use this ADM token create, and this will create a new token. Then we can use this new token to join the cluster. So now that's all. We have successfully joined the two workloads, and now the total status of the Kubernetes cluster is ready. So that's all. Thank you.